Come on in, y'all. Let's beat the summer heat and let the slow cooker do all the work. So today I'll be showing you how I make a juicy, tender, whole chicken right in the slow cooker. The homemade gravy. And I'll show you how to put it all together. Y'all know what this is. Take off. Here we go, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started and go our ingredients. I have my whole chicken here. We're using some celery, onions, and some garlic. Full list of all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Let's make it. So first thing, always check the inside cavity of your chicken. Be a bag in there that'll hold like the gizzards in the neck and the livers, or sometimes they just might place it directly inside the chicken. So just reach in and go ahead and remove it. Next thing, we want to go ahead and you want to pat your chicken dry. All over, that'll help the seasonings stick to your chicken. So just go ahead and pat it dry. So now all we need to do is go ahead and season it up, adding on a touch of oil. That'll help the seasoning stick. Just go ahead and give this a brush. Make sure you get it all over. Go ahead and flip it and brush some on the other side as well. You do want to season inside the cavity and use your favorite seasoning. I'm using a Cajun seasoning and an all-purpose. Now you just want to season the chicken all over. Make sure you get in the creases and the crevices. I'm going in with a little Cajun seasoning. Going in with a buttery garlic and herb seasoning. And I do like to just go ahead and just give this a slight little press. That's the back side. We're just going to go ahead and flip it and season the breast side. Using the same seasonings, the buttery garlic. Now going in with some Cajun seasoning. Now I'll just be adding on a touch of paprika. We have our chicken nice and seasoned. To our slow cooker, you can go ahead and add in the celery, your onion, and the garlic. We're just going to place the chicken right on top. My chicken is about 5 pounds. I'm just going over the top with a little paprika. And also, y'all, no need to add any kind of water, any kind of broth. The chicken and the veggies will make a delicious broth. Trust the process. Now, all that's left to do is go ahead and pop a lid on. You can let this cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. Just keep in mind that every slow cooker cooks a little bit differently, so the timers are just a guide. But your chicken is done when a meat thermometer is 165 in the thickest part of your thigh. And I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like. And here it is, y'all. Our chicken is ready. The house smells amazing. If you've never done a slow cooker whole chicken, you have got to give it a try. Now, I do want to mention that the slow cooker isn't going to give you that crispy golden skin like in the oven. So if you're looking for that, just go ahead and place your whole chicken on in the oven and go ahead and roast it in the oven. So now what you will get is a juicy, tender chicken that makes a flavorful broth. You can go ahead and freeze this. It's good for up to 6 months. Use it for some beans, soups, or stews. And with that being said, real quick, let's go ahead and make this homemade gravy. Now for this gravy, you want to go ahead and strain your broth. Put it up on the stove, let it come up to a boil. It's 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Go ahead and add that into your boiling broth. Get that a mix, 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 mix. You'll notice that it'll start to thicken up for you. And there is your gravy. Now, this is still very hot and it'll thicken more as it cools. Taste and adjust your seasonings. That's it, and that's all it is to it, y'all. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. As always, thank y'all for watching. Be sure to thumbs up the video, subscribe for the deliciousness, and leave your girl a comment. Happy Sunday, and y'all know the vibes. Be blessed.